Yo, what is good, y'all? I am back at the storage. I need to get a few things out here. I'm about to get rid of a whole bunch of kicks, and I like deflated a bunch of like my hoodies, except this one. You guys know every time I come to storage, I'm gonna be looking at the kicks that are in here because I always forget what I have in here. And it's always good to kind of get in touch with what I have in storage because I don't know how long I'm gonna keep this storage because it's kind of ridiculous to keep a bunch of sneakers in a storage at this point for me. I mean, I do keep clothes in here now too. I don't know. I think I'm growing out of this stuff, guys. I'll always review the sneakers, but as far as like being a hardcore sneakerhead and like nerding out, I think I'm kind of past that at my old age. Is there really an age for like wearing sneakers and Jordans? Probably not. The times have changed. But for me, once you've like touched almost every pair except a pair of Air Mags, it's like, it gets a little boring. It gets a little boring. But with that being said, let's go up in here and see what I got. And I do got these Futuras on. This is the video, obviously. And even though I went up a half size up, these are still a little tight on my feet. I think it might be like the socks somewhere, and I don't know, but they're still just kind of snug. But let's go up in here and see what's going on. Make sure you guys thumbs up, like the video, all that good stuff. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Let's go. Man, I hate the lighting in here. I'm still mad that like there's no like inner lighting, but I brought a light though. I did bring a light. All right, what do we have left in here? Let me see if this light's gonna be good. Hold on. Can I stick it like right? I don't know, maybe right here. So, came in here. Let's start taking a look at some things here. All right, I'm just gonna go through some of these because it's kind of not that video. We're here for these, but let's just look at, man, it's getting dusty up in here. What is this? What is this? Oh yeah, I was looking for those. Oh yeah, I was looking for those. Oh yes. I should bring these back. It's so hot right now. It's been like 92 degrees in Colorado daily, and that's unusual, but I should bring these back. I'm not. What else are these? Ah ha ha, look what we have here. Amamaniers. Really good pair too, damn. This is how I wish my black pair would have looked. That's really nice. Like, look at the tip of that toe box right there. That's how you do it. What is that? That's probably a pair of white on whites. Yep. All right, Russ, we're gonna have to come back for those two. Just remind me next time we kick it. 450s, switch color. I don't wanna pull them out, but it's probably that, like that sail looking pair, you know. These are good walking shoes. I love these shoes. Good walking shoes, but they don't come home. Steph's. I should bring these, but I have too many hooping shoes, so these stay. This is always gonna be good. A size 10. Ooh, this is like an old school pair. Ooh, we got an old school receipt. 4/20/2013. So you guys know what I was doing on 4/20, and it wasn't smoking, it was buying sneakers. What are these though? Oh yeah. With the retro card. I think these are coming back. This was an impulse buy. This was an impulse buy. It's one of those shoes. I was like, oh, I gotta have it because it had no Nike on the back. I know that's stupid. I think these might come home. Oh yeah, I love these. My favorite pair of Dunks ever, and I'm sticking to that for now. That's probably a pair of retail Gammas when they originally dropped. I don't feel like pulling them out. Let me see. I can always tell because it's a size 10. Whew. I hope that doesn't fall. I had to go check some things out. Sometimes I like to sneak up on your boy up in here. But anyway. Ultra rare. Another pair of ultra rare kicks. These are Steph's first kicks before he was actually wearing his own signature with Under Armour. Those will probably never go away. Classics, got to keep them. These shoes right here, I kind of regret because I bought so many pairs of them and I haven't wore any of them except that gray and orange pair. And they're good. I shouldn't have OD'd on those. Gotta learn to live with regrets. You know what? After seeing the leathers so much, like I actually like the OG good old suede ones better. I just like these. These are like perfect too, damn. Funny is I'm not really looking for anything specific. I'm just more or less looking. Ooh, I was actually looking for these, and these are probably gonna come home. Shout out to Bino. Don't really like wearing the Questions casually. They look dope. They just hurt my feet, but you gotta have these. This is a good pair to have. This is like the only pair that I should have. They're retail. They're amazing. What is this? Oh, gotta keep them. Gotta keep them. I wish I had the white and purples though, like the ones he scored 81 in. Amazing hooping shoes. Kind of OD'd on these too. They were worth it. Oh, last shots. Just I'm just gonna close that back up. White cement fours. White cement fours. I think these are either dropping later this year or sometime next year, but I got mine. So I got all this, some clothes. I think I had to stick the North Face in there. These things are really, really, really handy. There goes some Katie's right there. It looks like a pair of, what are those called? Union 4s again. A whole bunch of stuff I don't really want to get into. I know those are Freddy's. What is this? My retail 5s from a while back. These are yellowing, man. Look at the yellow. What the hell is this? Huh. Yep. They need to bring those back. Some Yeezy 2s. What do we got? Oh, yeah. Oh, sheesh. Almost had a catastrophe, y'all. It's a little thinner in here, though. Oh, yeah, I got to keep those. We're probably for sure keeping those. That's a really good pair, too. I don't want to get into the Jordan ones over there. I'm probably going to keep them all. Yeah, those are OGs. Ooh. This might be my favorite pair of 8s. They're not retail, but they're just great and amazing. Let's look in this bin real quick. Let's look in this bin. I want to donate this bin. Look at all them hoodies I had to put out. There's like so many hoodies in there. Oh, look at this bin. We've got soccer kicks. These are pretty rare though. Like all my football people out there. These are some C. Ronaldo joints. Like, I don't know anybody that has these. Here's the only Mellows I wore. I think I wore that low top pair too. We got a dare fake people, keep distance. I'm gonna keep this. This goes. Ooh, deceptive reds, amazing. Deceptive whites. No, these are not deceptive. These are just the Clevelands. Those are pretty rare shoes. I should go in the gym wearing like this one and this one. I actually started that too. You know what I'm saying? Oh, this is what I'm looking for. This is what I'm looking for. These insoles. I'm getting rid of those Virgil joints. Damn, I can't do this one-handed, guys. Hold on. I'm getting rid of those white and green Michigan Virgil joints. And I was looking for the insoles because they don't have any insoles. And this is I don't know what I'm looking like in the framing, but this is a retail pair of some kind of pack they released a long time ago. We have some Giannis. My ID Kobe's. Can y'all see this? Yeah, you can see it. Some more beautiful soccer joints. I cook these. You can tell I cook these. Outdoor court cooking right there, boy. I'm gonna get back to the on foot. Just rock with me for a second. Does anybody remember this Neymar joint? The Neymar Jordan 1 collab. Not Jordan 1, but the Jordan Neymar collab. They're pretty ill. Oh, anybody remember these? These are actually good. Like I used to do the incline in these, and I worked out in these. These are actually pretty good. I know you guys are like, what? Yeah, these are good. These were a thing. Yes, sir. I need these insoles. I'll put some different ones in these or something, but I need those insoles. I needed these. Yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. Dang, these hats, I just disrespected these hats in here. If you're interested in anything in this bin, let me know. I should take these, but I'm not. Oh! I was looking for these. Shout out to the person that sent me these. I actually really love these. It's the brown pair. Yeah, classics. Like Russ wanted to try these because I think the olives are coming out, and I have to get these in a 10.5. So I'm gonna let him try these on and we're gonna go from there. All right, so we're gonna do these 9s, insoles. That is pretty much it. Yeah, let's lock up. And you guys let me know. You guys that are watching, let me know what you think about the Futuras, like for real. I like them. And since I've been wearing them, they actually broken in a little bit more, so they're good. These 9s, insoles, some dirty hats, my light. Okay, that's pretty much the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed seeing my my storage collection. Do I need to on-foot these anymore? Or are you guys good on that? Because I felt like you've seen them enough on my feet. So yeah, that's it. Peace, love, and light. Catch me on IG. That's where I'm the most interactive, I guess. A couple basketball videos coming up. And yeah, let's just go to the unboxing so I can get this out the way. Hold on. Let me check my joint real quick. I'd be paranoid, y'all. Just want to make sure we good, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, definitely know what you're saying. There's some crazy people out there, but what's up, guys? This will be the fastest unboxing I've ever done. Another pair of Futuras, and if you want to know about the Futura and the history, check out my other video. This is a beautiful sneaker. And how'd you guys like the video with like no music? It's a lot easier for me as far as copyrights, but the Futura, I got this shoe only because the last one I got was a 9.5 and it was really small. So I ended up getting another pair from a totally different person. Shout out to them. They didn't have to do all that. And I really didn't need this second pair. I just kind of fell in love with the colorway that day. And I was like, oh, I want another pair. So here they are. I give them a 10 out of 10. This is a way better pair than the one that I did before. Sorry, other gifter. That's just the reality of it. I don't know the batch or whatever, but it's a way better batch. And just like that, that's the end of this video. Let me know if you guys would wear them. I had to cut this one a little short because I spent so much time going through the storage, and I got to do that sometimes. I actually thought the video was a lot funner than the other stuff I do with the music and how much got the vibe and all that stuff. Like, it's cool to switch it up. So let me know what you guys think about that. Yeah, dang, there's not a flaw on this pair. And me wearing them through the whole storage thing, they did loosen up a bit. So that's what's up. But peace, love, and light. Follow me on IG. Catch you in the next one. I think I got a basketball video next, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, bye.